assuming you mean coffee farming rather than coffee raising, as in raising the price of coffee. Here are some key secrets to successful coffee farming. Choose the right variety. Different coffee varieties have different growing requirements and produce different flavor profiles. Choose a variety that is well suited to your climate and soil conditions, and that produces the flavor profile you desire. Soil preparation. Coffee plants require fertile, well-drained soil. Prepare the soil by adding organic matter, such as compost or manure, and ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging. Proper planting. Coffee plants should be planted in rows with sufficient spacing between plants to allow for growth and harvesting. Plant at the right time of year to ensure good establishment and growth. Pruning and training. Coffee plants should be pruned regularly to remove dead or diseased wood, improve air circulation, and promote new growth. They should also be trained to grow in a particular shape, such as a single stem or bushy form. Fertilization. Coffee plants require regular fertilization with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as well as micronutrients such as magnesium, sulfur, and calcium. Apply fertilizers at the right time and in the right amounts to promote healthy growth and high yields. Pest and disease control. Coffee plants are susceptible to a range of pests and diseases, such as coffee berry borer and leaf rust. Implement a comprehensive pest and disease management plan that includes monitoring, prevention, and treatment as needed. Harvesting and processing. Coffee cherries should be harvested at the right stage of ripeness and processed promptly to ensure high-quality coffee. There are several methods of processing coffee, including dry processing, wet processing, and semi-washed processing. These are some of the key secrets to successful coffee farming. Attention to detail, good management practices, and a commitment to quality are essential for producing high-quality coffee beans. There are many excellent coffees produced around the world, and the best coffee is subjective and can vary depending on personal taste. However, here are a few examples of some of the most highly regarded coffees in the world. Jamaican Blue Mountain. This coffee is grown in the Blue Mountains of Jamaica and is known for its mild flavor, lack of bitterness, and subtle sweetness. Ethiopian Yiga Kef. This coffee is grown in the Yiga Kef region of Ethiopia and is known for its complex, fruity flavor with hints of floral and citrus notes. Colombian Supremo. This coffee is grown in the Andes Mountains of Colombia and is known for its rich, full-bodied flavor and low acidity. Hawaiian Kona. This coffee is grown on the slopes of Mauna Loa on the Big Island of Hawaii and is known for its smooth, balanced flavor and low acidity. Sumatran Mandheling. This coffee is grown on the island of Sumatra in Indonesia and is known for its earthy, full-bodied flavor with hints of chocolate and spice. These are just a few examples of some of the most highly regarded coffees in the world. There are many other excellent coffees produced around the world, each with their unique flavor profiles and characteristics.